Alright, so a couple months ago I posted a teaser video of the exhaust for the Miata. Same night I took that video, I took a video of unboxing the exhaust, but I didn't actually do an install video or anything. It's just an ISR exhaust. There's tons of videos on there. So in this video I'm just going to do kind of like a cold start because it's the middle of winter here and I can't actually do like any driving or anything to get any good exhaust clips. So hopefully this is good enough to tide it over for a little while. I'll put the unboxing on it and then cold start here, and yeah, we'll see where that goes. Sick. Alright, so hopefully that didn't blow out the camera. But yeah, come spring I'll try to get a better video. But really, the real reason why we're out here in the garage right now is because I'm going to install some new toys I got for the car. Bought some Feel coilovers from Goodwin Racing on Black Friday. So we're going to put that on today. Because screw it, it's 18 degrees, but I want to do car stuff.